Dr. P here, and I'm with my orange and lemon trees, and I talk about how pruning is a good thing for plants, gardening, but even in life. Pruning things that sap a lot of energy or are not worthwhile so that you get better quote-unquote fruit down the road. And plants naturally do this on their own. So this is an orange tree, and you can see there's a little orange there. There's a bunch of little oranges on this tree, all of different varying sizes and potential. Similarly, this is a lemon tree. There's flowers, there's little lemons, there's even bigger lemons, all different levels of quality and ability. And these are being grown in pots, and so they require a little bit more attention. They don't usually get as much water when it rains, so you have to water them, you have to fertilize them. Otherwise, you see the fruit will naturally fall off. The plant will naturally prune itself. So similarly, as a leader, we need to make sure that we are giving our team, quote, our plants, the necessary tools so that they don't self-select and leave on their own. So it goes in vice versa. Your business will self-prune itself just like your plants will self-prune itself if you don't give the right time and energy and you neglect them.